going to show you a home remedy on how to take off scratches on your car. So did you see this? Toothpaste, Colgate. So you can actually use Colgate. I recommend Colgate. You can use a foam, you can use a brush, whatever you want, and you can use a rack, a dry rack actually. So what I'll do here is I'm gonna apply some toothpaste on this part of the car. Yep. Apply it harder. You can use a brush, or you can use a toothbrush. When I'm done, I'll use my foam. Try to apply a little bit of force on it. Oops. And then you can use a dry rack. You kind of like do the finishing touches on it, okay? Did you see that? Come on, you can give a like and a subscribe on the subscribe button below. If you like this video, please comment at the comment section so that every time I upload a video, you're gonna be the first to know, okay? Thank you very much.